Hello, this is Mr. Aarons, and we're taking a look at a couple of problems from page 44, R1 and R3 for Honors Algebra 2 Trig. The first one we're going to look at is R1, Section B, Problem 4. So you'll look, let's see here, R1, Section B, Problem 4. It wants us to name all the sets of numbers which the following number belongs to. And we have the square root of negative 3. So when we go ahead and look at that, the square root of negative 3, we know that all of the numbers that we know of are all types of complex numbers. Both our imaginaries and our real numbers are all different types of complex numbers. We have to figure out whether this number is real or imaginary. The negative square root is what tells us that it is a type of imaginary number. This is not a negative number because any square root is positive, even though this is the square root of negative 3. Imaginary. But we can tell that this is a radical because it's a square root. Since it's not rational, we know it's not an integer, and we know it's not a whole number or a natural number. So we don't have to worry about any of those types. These are the only three that it could be. And if we want to get more detailed, we could go say that this is a positive number. But beyond that, it would become, we don't need to worry about any of the other details. We look at R3, number 3. That'll be R3, A number 3. We see that we have x squared square root of y minus 5. And it wants to name the polynomial by degree. Now polynomials must only be multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Because of this radical, it's not a polynomial. All right, those are those two problems.